Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today we're at 90 Mile Beach with the Ford Ranger Raptor, and we're on looking to head south and see how we get on. It's in its natural environment. We may go for Baja mode. I doubt it though. Enjoy the view. We're doing 76 k's per hour. We're in sand mode and it's just really freaky, to be honest. You can't see, I don't know where to come off, but we're just heading south. It's just really very cool. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but look at it, it's just so much fun. The wheel feels very strong. It digs in every now and again, but the traction's awesome. But it's just cool. We're just having fun driving along 90 Mile Beach, which is 90 k's. No idea where to come on, nowhere to come off. Well, I knew where we came on, but nowhere idea to come off. But there's people, so we're not alone. We're all in this together. On the beach, and we're going to be doing a little bit of Baja. Excellent. Let's see what it's done. Just a little bit of weaving, and let that traction control do what it's wanting to do, which is let you Baja. Listen to those hot shots just digging on in. And doing its stuff. You have it. Some fun on the sand in the Ford Ranger Raptor. Performance doesn't have to be just power, it's about having fun and performing on all territories and terrains. Good work, Ford. Love the Raptor. Make sure you subscribe and see me on the next one. Cheers.